At our manufacturing factory in Haiyan, Zhejiang, we have multiple production lines with an annual capacity of approximately 8.5 million units. There are 4 representative workshops in the facility. The main production in Workshop 1 is welding photocell like JL103, JL104, JL118, JL412. The annual production capacity is about 4 million units. The main production in Workshop 2 is trash-log photocell. Representative models like JL205, JL207, JL214, JL215. Annual production capacity is about 2 million. The main production in Workshop 3 is trash-log stockings. Representative models as JL200, JL230, JL240, JL260. Annual production capacity is about 1 million. The main production in Workshop 4 is Jagabook 18 components. The representative models like JL700, JL701J, JL731J, JL741J. The annual production capacity is about 1 million pieces. I'm Stella. The above is an introduction to our company's workshops and production capacity. If you would like to learn more information, please feel free to contact us. Bye.